So today is January 5th, 2023, and I'm sorry, 2024. And this is Sal. I wanted to make a quick video with our friend Sal. We just met him a few days ago, but honestly, they've been working on our him and his crew. What's your name, sir? Mario. And what's his name?
Orbelin.
Orbelin? Okay, nice to meet you. So, I'm making this video for my family, for my friends, and for YouTube. They have done the most amazing work, and we keep adding to their work. So we've had them built. They built us this beautiful chicken. Actually, we ordered the chicken coops. They had them built. This one, they just built it a couple days ago, put it together for us. They've gone above and beyond. We've asked them to do one more gate here. But so I wanted to share, what kind of other work do you do?
Everything like landscaping, like cleanups, like pavers.
Yeah, and from the San Jose area.
Yes.
Yeah.
Area,
So shout out to my cousin Jeremy and Aunt Rachel and Maria. You guys know of anybody at the church? I highly recommend them. And you do also when people want to move and they take things to the dump.
Yes.
Or you helped us move in, like unload the U-Haul, building, roofs and all that, and so go ahead and say your phone number if you want to share your phone number, like if somebody wants an estimate.
Yeah, this is 669.
669.
336.
336.
2582.
And say it in Spanish if you want your business. Your negocio.
This is Mikey's landscaping. And mi número de teléfono es 669-336-2582.
And in español, what do you do? Puedes explicar. Todo.
Jardinería. En general, remodelación, pintura,
todo.
Electricidad, todo lo que sea.
Yeah, and I can vouch that they show up, they're here, they work, and rain or shine, and the work that they do. So what we're going to have them do is put a gate here from my garage to the coop area, so I don't have to hassle it by taking my cats out. Now, let me just see if I can show what they've done. They did this, and we actually put the tarp up. That's going to come down because we're going to have them put a roof. But look at my happy chickens. So the tarp is coming down, but I'm just going to show you. This is completely, again, mind you, the tarp, that's not them. We put that up because it's been raining. But this is just really great material. So they did the door here where my hens can come out. And then just yesterday on the 3rd of January, they put this gate in because I'm going to have my second flock of chickens come. And so then they divided it basically. So now this is a whole new area where my hens and my roosters can't fight anymore. It's completely covered, if you can see up there. And so, so they did all this, the dividing of it yesterday. They cut out this little area so that all the wild animals can't get my wild animals. Again, the tarp is just temporary until we get corrugated material roofing, I guess, so that the rain doesn't get to my hens don't get soaking wet. But in other words, we asked them what we wanted built, and they did it. They did an amazing job. So again, this is it closes completely. Let me show you. And there, now we're bringing my rooster Noah. We're bringing him, and my other two roosters, Blackjack and Red, we're bringing them over from Vacaville, which is 2.5 hours away, to Santa Cruz Sunday. So they're going to stay in that area, and then Napoleon's going to stay in this area. There's Napoleon. So my hens are happy. Look at how healthy they are. I don't have to worry about them. And so now what we're going to have Alfredo's team do is we're going to have them build a gate from here to the house, and then also from here to the coop. That way I can just open this door, let my cats out, and they can happily go hang out with the chickens, and then I can just enjoy my day and the woods. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you again. Thank you again, and I just pray that God blesses your business. It's amazing. So I'm happy to do the video and share it with Michelle Fluent, and she can share it with her team. And I pray that God will multiply and send you new customers. Okay, so thank you for doing all the work. We appreciate it. Oliver, you appreciate them? Yes, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. And so you don't go running like a wild animal and get eaten by a coyote, huh? Yeah, you can stay in your fencing, huh? With all your cat sisters. So thank you again. Okay, God bless.